Does something like this happen to you when your lens are broken and there's even those spots on it? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken lens camera. So the first thing you got to do is to turn off the camera. Start shaking it around. And there's nothing wobbly there. So if you see nothing wobbly in there, that's not the problem. And sometimes your lens may not open again. Maybe try tapping on it a little bit. Sometimes tapping on the lens can sometimes fix it. So nope, that still doesn't work. Yeah, so sometimes tapping it can work. Just don't tap it very hardly. We're probably gonna try, we might have to also tear down the camera if it doesn't work. As you can see, still not working. Power. The camera's working. The camera's working now. So that's how you fix a broken lens. So thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.